In this video, we are going to show you how to fix PDF download error when using EZproxy. If you try to download a PDF file and it doesn't work, try to fix the error with these troubleshooting steps. Open Kaspersky Endpoint Security 10 or antivirus software. Clicking on Settings tab. Antivirus Protection. Web Antivirus. Check the box Enable Web Antivirus. Click Settings button. Trusted URLs tab. Select the option Do not scan web traffic from trusted URLs. Click Add button and adding values. Enter *lib.hku.hk/*. Click Save. Thank you for watching.